Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to my new video, and in today's video, we are going to learn how you can run Game Guardian on your Android 14 device, that too without rooting. No matter what device you have, if it has Android 14, your Game Guardian will run. But remember one thing, if your device is on Android 13, or any device older than that, and you want to run Game Guardian without root, I have already made a video for that. You can find it on the I button, and also add another one. The video is about how to prevent Game Guardian from crashing. You might know that when you run Game Guardian, sometimes the game crashes or the entire Game Guardian crashes. I have made a separate video on this too, where I have taught you how to prevent your Game Guardian from crashing. If you want to watch that video too, you will find the link on the I button. Today's video is special for Android 14 users. Let's get started with this great video. As you can see, we are on our Android device. First, I'll show you my Android version. My Android version is 14. See it by clicking. This type of section is in Android 14. Now understand one thing carefully. If your phone is on Android 14, do not download Game Guardian from the official website. That Game Guardian does not support Android 14, so what you need to do is simply go to the pinned comment where I have provided a link to a special APK of Game Guardian. This special APK of Game Guardian is a modified APK for Android 14, so you need to download it from there. And if you face any difficulty while downloading, please do one thing. Go to the I button and watch a separate video where I have explained how to download files from the link I provided. So here you can see that I have the APK of Game Guardian. I simply click on it and install it. Okay. And if you get any warning from Google Play Protect while installing, you don't need to worry. This APK is not something that will hack your phone. This APK is actually used to modify other apps and is not available on the Google Play Store, so Google Play Protect blocks it. How do you install it? Go to More Details. Click on it and here you will see Install Anyway option. Tap on it, OK. And right after you do, you'll notice that your Game Guardian will be installed very smoothly. Alright, you have installed it. Now, when you look at your home screen, you might see two Game Guardian icons. You will see two icons like this. What to do? Click on an icon. Click here to see Install Mode, right? What do you need to do? Click on the default install mode. What will happen here? Game Guardian will reinstall itself with a fake name because many games detect it, and they know that Game Guardian is used for hacking and modifying games, so they might block their services on your Android phone. Therefore, Game Guardian installs itself with a fake name. Alright, simply what we do here is, you can see a section like this, click on Settings and give permission to install unknown apps. Alright. I've granted the permission and you can see it's installing with this name. Allow it to install. Press the install button. And our Game Guardian will be installed here very smoothly. If Google Play Protect blocks it again, don't worry. I've already shown you what to do. Just click Install Anyway, and your Game Guardian will install from here. What do we do now? Let's go back. After going back, you should see 4 icons of Game Guardian. What do you need to do? Click on any Game Guardian icon. As I clicked on it, you need to notice one thing. When you click on that icon, does a section like this appear, or does it say Install Mode? If it says Install Mode, you simply need to uninstall that icon. If you see a section where it says that you have installed 4 icons, you need to remove 2 icons, so what should you simply do? Just click OK. And here, the previous version of Game Guardian that we used to install this new version will automatically be removed, and you will see the Work Mode. Alright, what will you see? The Work Mode. So, when you see the Work Mode, it means that Game Guardian has been successfully installed on your Android phone. Now we can run it. Let me show you how to run it. Since your Android phone is non-rooted, to run Game Guardian on non-rooted phones, we will need a virtual space. The download link for that virtual space is provided in the pinned comment. You can easily download that virtual space from there. You can download it easily. What we do is, we exit from here for now and you will see that there are only 2 icons left here. Very good. I simply go to After going to Files, I simply go to Downloads, and here you can see Dual Space is there. Okay, I simply click on it and install it. This Dual Space is modified by me, so there are no viruses in it. You can use it very easily on Android 14, and since it is very small in size, your Android phone will consume very little RAM. So what does this mean? Overall, the performance of your Game Guardian will be very good, and Game Guardian will be able to use a lot of RAM. Isn't it amazing to modify games? Great, so what do we do next? I have installed Dual Space. After installing it, what do you need to do? You just need to click on Dual Space once. As soon as you click on it, you will see that Dual Space will open up like this. Very good. What do you need to do simply? Just press on Start, and after pressing Start, a section for Allow Permission will appear. Here, you need to click on Settings and then give permission to access all files. Granted permission. Doing it easily. After going back, you will see a section like this. Very nice. What you need to do is simply click on this plus icon. Alright, now you have clicked on the plus icon. If you get any notification section, you can choose to not allow it. You can allow it. It's up to your preference. So, what am I doing now? If you want to modify any game here, you can select the game and also select Game Guardian. Alright, so what am I doing? I am selecting Game Guardian and also selecting a game from here, and I have clicked on Clone. Both have been cloned well. Everything is good. Now, what are we doing? We will simply click on Game Guardian, and you can see here that our Game Guardian is starting very well. Alright, if you see any minor error while starting, there is no need to worry. I will solve everything. The Allow section is coming. And if a section like this comes, you need to click OK, and after clicking OK, if you see a section like this, you will simply click OK and allow display over other apps. Alright, where to allow? Simply click on this Dual Space and allow it. Go back once. And then you need to allow this Game Guardian section as well. Alright, we have allowed both. Very good. Now, we will go back and back again. Alright, now we will go back, open Dual Space again. And from here, open Game Guardian again. So you can see here that our Game Guardian has started very well, and if a restart section comes, you need to simply click on Restart, and your Game Guardian will restart and everything will be fine. But if it doesn't restart on its own, you can restart it manually. You can see here, in my case, it opened on its own, and after opening, you need to simply click on Start, and as soon as you click Start, your Game Guardian will be running very well. Alright, I will simply open a game here, and I will also show you whether our game shows inside Game Guardian or not. Now, I won't show you modifying the game because that's not the topic of this video. The topic of this video was how we can run Game Guardian very well on Android 14. As you can see here, our game has started. What do I do now? I simply click on Game Guardian. Alright, I clicked, and as you can see here, the game's icon has appeared, and our game is also showing in the process. I hope you enjoyed this Game Guardian tutorial on Android 14. If you did enjoy it, please like, subscribe, and share my channel. We'll meet in our next amazing video.